Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about user defined function. User defined function is a function which is defined by the user. For this program, first of all we will open the script file or editor. Then we write the syntax of the user defined function. First of all, we write function and output variable. For example, z. Z is the output variable. Then sign of the equal, and then write the function name. In the example, we use the fun as a function name. When we are define the area or circumference of the circle, we can write the circle as a function name. We can write the whatever we want the function name. Then write the input variables as I write in the example x and y variables. Then we save the function names or define the formula of z in the editor. Like we see z is equal to x plus y and the editor. Then we will move in the command window and give the value to the input variables x and y. For example, we can give 3 and 7, 4 and 5 values or get the answer in the form of z. Now we will perform this example in the Matlab. First of all, we will open the new script file. Write the function, output variable, name z, and function name fun. Function name fun, or input variables are x and y. Or then we will define the formula of z because we want the value of the z at the end. X plus y. Now we will save this function. We will save in the name of the function name, which is the fun. You can save any place. Now move in the command window and write the name give the values of the input variables. Write fun and then write the values, like you can write 4, 9 and find the values 13. Now we can perform this function with another example, as we want to find the circumference and the area of the circle. So output will be in the form of a, area, and c, circumference of the circle. And now we will use the function name circle. Circle is the function name, and we will use the input variable r. Now we will write the formula of the area and the circumference. Area formula is, as we know, is pi r square. Pi is a defined variable. We just write the pi r square, static for multiply r and then square cap 2 pi r square. Now we will write the formula of the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. Pi r, again static and then r. Now we'll apply the cells to clear the command window and clear all to clear the variables from the workspace. Now we will save the function with the name of the function variables. Now we'll change the name circle. Save in the documents. Now I will use the output variables because I want the output of the area and circumference. Circle, then write the circle and value of the input variable which we use for. Run the program. This is the value of the area 50 and circumference is 25, and this is the end of the user defined function.